Stephen Gitto has over 30 years business experience, with 6 years as a financial advisor and 5 years in mortgage note investing. He is a successful investor and consultant and a $1 million producer in note investing.
Hi, I'm Stephen Gitto, and my company is Notelink Financial. And what we do is we buy performing and non-performing mortgage notes. A mortgage note is a financial instrument secured by real estate. As I stated, we buy performing and non-performing mortgage notes. We only buy first lien position notes, which provides full protection of the investment. Let's discuss the two types of investments. A performing mortgage note is an investment that produces cash payments each and every month. We purchase the notes at a discount of the unpaid balance of the note. This provides a more favorable equity position, therefore minimizing risk. Purchasing at a discount also increases the rate of return on the investment. Performing notes provide an immediate monthly cash flow, therefore producing an immediate return on investment. A non-performing mortgage is an investment that currently is not receiving any payments. Because no payments are being made, these notes are purchased at a bigger discount. The purchase price is a percentage based on either unpaid balance of the note or current market value, whichever is lower. There are multiple exit strategies with non-performing notes. We can modify the note with the borrower and convert the investment into a performing mortgage. We can sell the property as is. We can rehab the property and sell for a higher profit. Or we can rehab the property and resell with owner financing. Owner financing is where we hold ownership of the mortgage note and we are the bank acting as the lender. Non-performing mortgage notes offer us flexibility and a higher profit margin than performing mortgages. Here are some examples of completed deals. Example 1. Purchased a non-performing note in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Property was worth $49,000. Our all-in investment was $26,000. Sold the property for $44,000 with a net of $40,000. We netted a $14,000 profit, and the entire deal took 3 months, start to finish. Example number 2. Purchased a non-performing note in Palm Coast, Florida. Property was worth $69,000. Our all-in investment was $36,000. Sold the property for $66,000 with a net of $60,000. We netted a $24,000 profit, and the entire deal took 6 months, start to finish. Example number 3. Purchased a non-performing note in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Property was worth $15,000. Our all-in investment was $6,000. Sold the property for $15,000 with a net of $14,000. We netted an $8,000 profit, and the entire deal took 4 weeks, start to finish. Example number 4. Purchased a non-performing note in Cocoa, Florida. It was a vacant lot and the borrower wanted to keep the property. The borrower had a lot of money invested in the property and also had an emotional connection to the property. The unpaid balance of the note was $81,000, but the property was only worth $40,000. So we modified the note based on the current market value of $40,000. Borrower put $5,000 down, and the note was modified with an 11-year term at 5.5% interest. The payments are $353.99 per month, but the borrower pays $500 per month. So the note will pay off sooner than the 11-year term. At the current pace, borrower will pay this loan off in about 6 years. So what we did here is we purchased a non-performing note, converted it into a performing note with immediate cash flow each month. Our all-in investment was $13,500, and this investment produces a 30% annual rate of return. Next, I would like to briefly discuss a strategy that has gained more popularity in recent years. Investors often ask us, what if I don't have liquid cash? An option is available to set up a self-directed IRA. A self-directed IRA is the same as a regular IRA, acts as a regular IRA. However, it can be used to purchase real estate assets and the profits grow tax-free. Some or all of your existing IRA or 401k balances can be transferred without a tax consequence. And again, profits grow tax-free. Now, how does Notelink Financial help their investors? Notelink Financial does all the work. We set up the trusts for investments, we research and purchase the real estate investments, we manage the investments, we provide the necessary annual documentation needed for your tax preparation. We will also help investors set up a self-directed IRA if they choose to ask us for help. In addition to making money, Notelink Financial and our investors help people and communities. We help people by working with them to help them keep their home. We help communities by improving the neighborhoods. We are purchasing distressed properties, fixing them up, and placing new owners in the properties. It's a win-win for everyone. At Notelink Financial, we like to give back to people and communities. At this point, I would like to thank you for watching the video. I hope I was able to give you a basic understanding of the type of investments we work with here at Notelink Financial. If you have any questions and would like to set up a personal consultation, please contact me at 352-399-8885, or you can email me at notelinkfinancial@gmail.com. Thank you and have a great day.